Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look, cordless vacuums are great, but if cleaning isn't your idea of fun, the best robot vacuums can take that chore off your list for good. After testing over 30 robot vacuums on real floors, I've narrowed it down to the top picks that actually make life easier, no matter your budget. From high-powered models that climb obstacles and mop like pros to surprisingly good options under $500, these are the best robot vacuums to buy in late 2026. So if you're ready to automate your cleaning, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Starting with the best robot vacuum right now, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller is the powerhouse robot vacuum to splurge on for heavy-duty upkeep of frequent wet and dry spills. It would flourish in busy households with multiple kids or pets, complex furniture arrangements, or multiple floor types, including steep thresholds in doorways. If you've been disappointed by lazy or streaky mopping, a roller mop robot vacuum should be your next move. Dreame calls it Fluff Roll Tech, sturdy force pressing the ultra-soft fibers onto the floor and into cracks or grout to scrub at stubborn dried grime. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra Roller has brains behind the brawn. The Livestream pet camera and the most accurate phone charger avoidance tech seen in a long time. This is the robot vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning. The Roborock Saros 10R is best for corner cleaning. The Roborock Saros 10R is the precise mopper for anyone who'd cringe watching a robot vacuum completely ignore a corner or wall edge. While it's not the absolute strongest in terms of suction power, the Saros 10R is still an incredibly well-rounded premium pick that excels at scrubbing along edges. The Saros 10R's 20,000 PI is in the top percentile of robot vacuum suction power. While it didn't fully ace pulling pet hair off of every pile of rug, it still had a great track record with debris like protein powder, kitty litter, long human hairs, and even whole goldfish crackers. Even on max mode, it's not very loud. Finishing touches include small obstacle avoidance that was about 85% reliable around cords, laundry, and shoes, as well as a Livestream pet camera, perfect for edge and corner perfectionists. The Roborock Crevo Curve is the best upper mid-range. At an upper mid-range price point, the Roborock Crevo Curve/Crevo Edge is a good option. This former flagship is the predecessor to the Roborock Saros 10R and pioneered some of its technologies, like an extendable side brush and extendable mop pad, but it doesn't command flagship prices anymore. It has similar performance to the 10R, with outstanding hard floor pickup, reasonable carpet pickup, and excellent stain cleaning ability. The Curve and Edge variants feature differently styled docks with varying external dimensions, but share the same self-emptying and mop-washing capabilities. The dock takes care of much of the day-to-day maintenance. The robot vacuum's two-part anti-tangle brush roll also helps since it resists hair wraps, making cleaning easier. Great former flagship at reduced prices. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra Robot Vacuum and Sonic Mop has premium features. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra makes hands-off cleaning easier with its all-in-one dock, which empties, washes, and dries the mop while refilling detergent and water. Its smart dirt detection remops areas that need extra attention, and built-in pet cameras let you check in on your furry friends. Extendable side brushes and a mop that lifts over carpets help the vacuum reach corners, edges, and tight spots for a more thorough clean. In trials, the S8 Max V Ultra proved to be fast and efficient, completing cleaning courses in just under 11 minutes, while effectively picking up medium and large debris on both hard floors and carpets. It occasionally nudged smaller obstacles, but consistently avoided collisions with larger objects. Great all-in-one dock and smart features. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XLRV2502AE is best for carpets. Shark AI's compact design and self-emptying bin make it a standout choice, especially for carpet cleaning. Its streamlined footprint impressed, and setup was a breeze. The robot navigated tight spaces and cleaned under kitchen cabinet toe kicks without getting stuck. However, the LiDAR sensor on top makes it too tall to fit under some low-profile furniture. After methodically covering test floors, the Shark returned to its dock and emptied every speck of debris. On carpet, it performed exceptionally well, lifting nearly all debris. The Shark Clean app enhances functionality with high customization. Through the app, you can select specific rooms, direct it to high-traffic areas, or send it to handle emergency messes. The carpet cleaning champion. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra is the best mid-range. If you're looking to save even more and want a newer robot vacuum with new features, check out the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. This is essentially a Dreame L10S Ultra with firmware tweaks and upgrades. It has a very advanced obstacle detection system and is even better than the Roborock Saros 10R at obstacle avoidance. Its full-featured docking station empties the robot vacuum, washes the twin mop pads with hot water, and dries the mop pads with hot air. Hard floor pickup performance is good, but carpet pickup performance is lacking since it doesn't use its side brush to clean edges and corners on carpet. For improved performance on carpet, consider the Eufy E20. Obstacle avoidance is good, and you'll appreciate improved performance on hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. Great mid-range with advanced obstacle avoidance. The Roborock Q10S5 Plus is the quietest. This Roborock robot vacuum is ideal for those who don't want to spend much more than $500, but who also don't want to settle for the most basic cleaning. This 2025 entry-level model is the rare cheap robot vacuum and mop combo with legitimate pressurized scrubbing. Its self-empty dock barely takes up 2 feet of floor space, and its noise level is quite low. It barely reaches 70 decibels when self-emptying, which isn't much louder than competitors while they're just cleaning. The Q10S5 Plus nearly doubles the suction power of its predecessor, 10,000 Pascal versus 5,500 Pascal. While the spinning mopping pad design found on more premium Roborocks is preferred, the forceful vibrations of the Q10S5 Plus's singular mopping pad provide more thorough scrubbing than many cheap 2-in-1 vacuums. Best quiet option near $500. The Eureka J15 Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum is the best vacuum and mop combo. The Eureka J15 Ultra is less than half the price of the top overall pick, but it goes well beyond basic with an 8-in-1 base that empties debris, refills water, and even washes and dries the mop with hot water, keeping maintenance to a minimum for up to 75 days. It delivers powerful suction for deep carpet and hard floor cleaning, while its flex-arm mop and rounded square body reach tight corners and edges. It features a built-in brush that cuts through hair 400 times per minute to prevent tangles. In testing, the J15 Ultra took a bit longer to complete courses, but it excelled on hard floors and performed solidly on carpet. It navigated furniture with precision but tended to push smaller objects around. Great value combo at half the premium price. The 3IG10 Plus is the best under $500. If you're set on spending less than $500 on a robot vacuum, there are few reasons to not go with the 3IG10 Plus. Between its ability to get around in small, cluttered spaces and its dust-compacting, space-saving design, the 3IG10 Plus would particularly be great for apartments. This niche, inexpensive pick also eclipses any other robot vacuum under $500 in the pet hair department, and even has stronger suction power than many premium robot vacuums. The G10 Plus's perceptive navigation was thoroughly impressive. Its initial mapping run was almost 100% accurate. The 3IG10 Plus is also the incredibly rare budget option with small obstacle avoidance that can steer clear of cords or socks, plus pet waste. Best under $500 with premium features. The Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max is the best budget option. The Eufy 11S Max delivers high-end features like automatic suction adjustment at an incredibly appealing price point. Its sleek and ultra-slim design, standing just under 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under low-profile furniture. Equipped with Boost IQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when detecting dirtier areas. Its large wheels allow smooth transitions between medium pile carpet, hardwood, and tile, though it can't pass thresholds taller than 0.65 inches. Like most robot vacuums, the 11S Max returns to its charging base when the battery runs low. Best ultra-budget option with smart features. Alright everyone, those are the best robot vacuums of 2026. Whether you choose the powerful Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra, the edge-cleaning Roborock Saros 10R, the value Crevo Curve, the feature-rich S8 Max V Ultra, the carpet-strong Shark AI Ultra, the mid-range Mova P10 Pro Ultra, the quiet Q10S5 Plus, the combo Eureka J15 Ultra, the under $500 3 IG10 Plus, or the budget Eufy 11S Max, you're getting a huge upgrade to your cleaning routine. Drop a comment. Do you use a robot vacuum? And what's your biggest cleaning struggle? If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.